On my BT400NEX-G, the fuel leaks from the carburetor on the Honda engine. How do I stop the leak? Ovala, what do you think?
For starters, we would have to remove the carburetor first. Remove the cover, remove the filter. Once the cover and filter are off, grab a number 10 hand wrench or socket, whatever you prefer. Remove these two nuts. 1, 2, and 3. Once you have the carburetor off, take apart and clean all the debris out of the carburetor, float and jet. Once you have it clean, reinstall the filter and cover back on the heater or the engine. If the carburetor is still leaking, check the fuel filter, inline fuel filter. It might be plugged, creating back pressure going back to the carb. In order to remove this, you would need a 9/16 hand wrench. Break that free. Also a 5/8 hand wrench. Turn off and it'll come out. Now you could either replace this or try and blow it out with an air gun. The third problem you could have with this unit being back pressure is this little blue inline check valve. Because if this gets stuck with dirt, it will also create back pressure, causing the carburetor to leak. Once this is all replaced and clean, put back together and fire the heater, it should work without any problems.